Hola, hola, hola. Hello, everyone. When you study languages, you know that many of those languages have accents, or when you write the words, those words have accents or special characters. There is an excellent resource for you if you want to type your text and then add accents without the need of a special keyboard or changing your keyboard to an international keyboard or without having to memorize all of the codes or having to carry your bookmark that Profe gave you. The resource is a website called typeit, and it is for different languages. Of course, I'm not biased, but I'm gonna choose Spanish right now just to demonstrate how it works. So if I type, for example, inside the box, quiero piña colada, you are gonna tell me it's not piña colada, it's piña colada. So I will have to change that for ñ. Or I could say, mi primo está feliz. If you está feliz. If you tell me that está is wrong, you are right. It's no está, esta es está, and it is feliz, and I use the word está because feliz es una emoción. Remember that in Spanish, to tell your age, you use the verb tener. And that's the verb to have. So in Spanish, when you talk about your age, you say something like, I have so many years of age. And so I could write, yo tengo 20 años. I wish, of course. But it is very important that I use años, that I use the ñ, because if I don't do that, I might be writing another word. And those of you who have studied anatomy in Spanish know what that word is and that you don't want to be typing the wrong word in that particular sentence. If you probably remember, there are 4 numbers that have accents in Spanish. The first one is 16. We also have 22. We have 23. And we have 26. If I don't remember my code, I can just use my accent in here, 26. What do they have in common? What do you think that they have in common? Maybe you can find the pattern and figure out why is it that they have accents. What do they have in common besides just having accents? Try to figure out why is it that 22 has an accent, but dos does not have an accent. Why is it that 23 has an accent, but tres does not have an accent? Why is it that 26 has an accent, but 6 does not have an accent? Anyway, you can use typeit to also to for the special characters like my question mark in here. ¿Qué vas a hacer esta noche? What are you gonna do tonight? Voy a estudiar español. Voy a estudiar español, and now I'm gonna use this one. Por supuesto. Now that I have all of my text in here with accents and special characters, I can just copy and paste into a Word document or a PowerPoint or directly into Canvas. And it transfers all of the accents. And now I have all of the accents that I had used with typeit. I hope it is useful for you. Adios!